Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very nice prize for you guys to take part in. This is a nice lightweight 1970 Triumph Trophy 250, also called a TR25W, and this one can be won on our website. The tickets are £1.75 and the draw will take place on the 14th of December, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. Then that's classiccompetitioncompany.com. So yeah, this one's an older restoration, still in really nice condition. It's got this lovely candy metallic red paint with the black rims, which really sets it off nicely. It's got Trials kind of semi-off-road tyres, wider bars, and that nice high-level pipe. It's really light as well, so it doesn't feel like a small bike, but it's a very light bike, which is nice. The engine was rebuilt last year with a new piston, and it's been fitted with an electronic ignition system, so it starts really easily. To start it, we've already got ignition on. There is a key just down here. It needs to be on. That is on. And then you've got a fuel tap down there as well. And then all you need to do is tickle your carb and you should fire up. It's very cold today, so we did just check that it started okay. And we'll have a little kick now, see what happens. There we are, starts easily being a 250. Nice smooth engine. And it's got a nice little bark as well from the exhaust. Yeah, a really cool machine, very light, good bit of fun. Like I said, if you're on our website, you can win this for just £1.75 on the 14th of December. Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, thank you for your support and good luck as always.